Let me ask you something. What if you could create a meaningful, beautiful memorial space right in your own home, without needing a funeral venue? More families today are choosing intimate, at-home services. Whether it's for comfort, cost, or simply wanting a more personal setting, decorating that space becomes one of the most important parts of honoring a life. Welcome to the Funeral Channel Network, brought to you by the Funeral Program site, where we help families create meaningful, beautiful tributes with ease. Today, I'm going to walk you through simple but powerful funeral decoration ideas you can use at home, ideas that truly make a difference. Now, before you buy anything or move furniture, start with one question. What feeling do we want this space to have? Do you want it peaceful, warm and comforting, or more of a celebration of life? You can choose a theme based on favorite colors, nature elements like flowers or sky, religious or spiritual symbols, or even hobbies and passions. Keeping a consistent theme makes everything feel intentional instead of cluttered. Every at-home service should have a focal point, and that's your memorial table. I would recommend you start with this: a framed photo, a candle or multiple candles, a floral arrangement. Then personalize it: keepsakes like books or glasses, military items if applicable, or an urn. Think of this table as telling their story without saying a word. Photos are one of the most powerful decorations you can use. Create a visual journey: memory boards, hanging photo lines, frame displays across tables. Organize them by life stages to help guests reflect and remember. Now for the lighting. Lighting completely changes the mood. Avoid harsh overhead lights. Instead use candles, soft lamps, string lights. This creates a calm, comforting environment where people feel at ease. As for seating, you don't need rows like a funeral home. Arrange seating in a way that feels natural. Semicircles, small groups, open walking space. This makes everything feel more personal and less formal. Personalized touches make it meaningful. This is where it becomes truly special. Add personal touches like a guest book, favorite foods, music playing softly, a video slideshow. These are the moments people remember most. At the end of the day, it's not about how elaborate the decorations are. It's about creating a space that feels like them. Because the most meaningful tributes aren't the most expensive ones. They're the most personal. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more guidance on planning meaningful tributes. And if you're creating a service right now, take your time with it. Those details truly matter. I'll see you tomorrow with another video to help guide you through planning, designing, and finding support during this time. Until then, take care and bye for now.